everyone. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. So I'm cosplaying as Wolverine. I didn't feel like wearing my Venom suit because I thought it's the same weekend as Venom too. So I thought hey, I'm gonna wear something Marvel based, but it's not gonna be Venom. So it'll probably be for the next convention or next hangout. So I got my badge. Now I gotta look for Stardust. So let's go ahead and take a little quick cruise and try to find her. She's a bit short, so I have to go start looking down to see if I can step on her. And look at yeah, I know, you guys are hiding. You might as well just stick underneath the table. Just so it's don't disturb. See, I was this close to cosplaying as Venom, and I thought there would be too many because of Venom. So I thought I really want to, but I'm like, well, just too many Spider-Man.
You should have thought of that, huh? Because then I wanted to do the Gwen.
Yes.
So,
it's okay. Well, you ladies look nice. I'm going to be walking around. Just let me know if you guys want to do a photo or whatever. You guys just shout, Logan! Alright. I know, I'm walking around taking a little. I need to walk around a little.
yeah.
I ate too much. That's
It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, it's Marvel recession.
It's okay. Hey, the Avengers have to deal with COVID too. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
I wanna take you for a ride. 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 I wanna take you for a ride.
I'd buy that for